Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Greg with another video. How y'all doing? Alright, so I had a really good discussion with my friend today, and I wanted to kind of bring it to the forefront here with the video. I want to talk about something different. I think I've been making a lot of sports videos, so I'm gonna get into politics a little bit. And so obviously Trump won Iowa last night, or it looks like he won Iowa. And yeah, he blew out the field. I mean, everybody kind of knew he would. I don't know who. I guess some people are kind of hyping up certain people, making it sound like he wouldn't. But the base is really behind him, man. Like, they, what, I, it's kind of hard to talk about certain things on YouTube. So, I mean, I'm just going to say that there's a lot of people who thought there was some funny business going on with that election. So, they're very motivated to, like, make sure that Trump gets back in. And, so, yeah. One thing I was talking about with my friend was that, because they were bashing Trump on MSNBC, saying that he was, I'm trying to remember the comment that they said. Basically, what they were saying was he is anti-immigrant or whatever. That's basically what they were saying. He was anti-immigrant. And my friend was trying to defend the comment like he is anti-immigrant, or at least, and I'm like, what policy did he pass, or what thing did he say to make anybody think that he was anti-immigrant? I think they meant anti-illegal immigrant would have been more. Yeah, I could see that. Okay, that's fine. But I mean, why is that a big deal, though? I mean, if somebody sneaks in your country and they didn't do it, and they came in the wrong way, why is that a problem? Why is So I think people try to misconstrue the two things, and so anyway, I don't think that even really applies. Even if you wanted to think that he was anti illegal immigrant, honestly, and this is going to be my prediction, I think Trump is going to win the presidency. That's no big. That's no big thing though. But honestly, I think one thing is going to shock people is that he is going to pass that DACA thing, and he's going to give those people who are under the DACA judgment. He's going to allow them to stay here and be citizens here. That's what I think is going to happen. And because every single time you hear Trump talk, he's always trying to talk about like bringing people together, and I'm sure he's going to see. I'm sure he's going to see them as they didn't do anything wrong, but it's not about them doing anything wrong. I understand that they weren't born; they were born here, and they can't help where they were born. But unfortunately, their parents did something wrong, and they shouldn't be able to benefit because their parents did something wrong. That's like saying, in my opinion, a man robbed a jewelry store and gave a diamond ring to his wife. The wife didn't know about the heist. She just got a wedding ring or got a diamond ring. Does she get to keep the diamond ring because she didn't know about it and she was just a recipient of what this crime that happened? No, you're gonna take the diamond ring away from her and say you don't get the diamond ring. It was It was stolen. It's going back to the store. It's the same. It's the same thing as far as like your parents came here illegally, had a child here. You don't get legal status because they did not come here the right way. That's how it should be. That's how every country should do it. Um, and this is going to be kind of a controversial topic because I got immigrant parents. My father is Panamanian and my mother is Jamaican. They know how hard it is to come here. But ultimately, I think what's fair is fair, man. Like, what's fair is fair. So, it's not fair to the people living here. It's not fair to the legal immigrants that are doing it the right way. So honestly, like I said, but I do think that Trump is going to pass it. I don't agree with it. This is kind of one of the things that I feel like Trump is doing. Like he doesn't, see, I think he knows he's going to do this and he's not even talking about it. And he's going to basically like kind of drop it on people at the like final hour and then just kind of expect people to just accept it. But I think that's a slap in the face. I mean, obviously it hasn't happened yet. This is just me commenting on a hypothetical. But I really do believe he's going to do this. I think he was right on the cusp of doing it. And then the pandemic thing happened. And then he kind of got distracted with that. But honestly, I really do think he's going to do that. And I think it's a slap in the face, man, because basically, ultimately, we don't, Americans, the majority of Americans, they just don't want people being incentivized to come here. And that's basically going to be the same type of pattern that you're just incentivizing people to, like, find a way to get in here. And if they find a way to get in here, get pregnant, the country will take care of it. And people don't want those type of policies of where you're just taking care of people who committed a crime to come here. It's not right. It's a burden on the taxpayers, And honestly, it's gotten so bad with the southern border. It's almost to the point now. Should we basically shut down regular immigration for a while? Right? Because we just have to get this thing sorted out. They have to find pretty much all these people who've been sneaking in here. And deportation is going to take a very long time. They got to build a wall so that when you deport them, they won't come back. There's a lot that has to go. It's gonna, there's a lot that has to happen. There's a lot that has to happen. So, but this is just my prediction. Trump, maybe he doesn't pass it because it's gotten so bad, maybe. But I really think in 2019 he was going to do it. And I think he's kind of protective of his reputation that he doesn't want to be seen too far right. That's why it might be the reason why he kind of, was kind of for the vaccines and everything like that. But regardless, I don't know. I just think that he's going to pass this DACA thing. But we'll see. It's just my opinion. I'm making this video January 16th. So maybe I can have one of those, I called it type moments. But honestly, it is what it is. It's just my opinion. I could be dead wrong, but I just think that that's something that he's going to do. Anyway, thank you so much for listening. I appreciate you. Hit that like and subscribe. I appreciate y'all, man. Thank you.